The first issue of today's project, we're going to be changing out some towel in a small bathroom or restroom. The floor was uneven, the towel was not put down evenly, and the floor has a lump in it in a few places, and it looks awful. So I'm going to try to straighten out this mess. Stand by diversely to laying a small section of floor towel in the restroom and trying to level out the floor. Okay, this is the small section of flooring I'm going to be dealing with here. As you can see, there are towels that are ceramic towels that are popping up, and the floor is not leveled out. So I'm gonna see what I can do with this. I'm not sure what's going on here, but I'm looking at it. Look like some industrial towels under here. Then there's some coating on the top of this towel is laid on top of that. So we can see if we can level this out. Look, about 22 towels in this small area. Patches some walls up where I'm at it. I may not have to remove the toilet wire, I may, so may be a good idea to remove it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is get this toilet out the way because the floor is not even. The towel is boppity bump, and the screws on the toilet are rusted, so I'm going to have to take my sawzall and pop them out. That's one. Get the other side. I'm going to be putting this white towel down, and I have my spacers here, my towel spacers. Okay, now I'm going to take my multi-purpose adhesive here, thin set mortar, set premix. I'm going to be putting this white towel down, and I have my towel spacers here. I have my circular saw, my little towel snippers, and a little thin towel hacksaw. I have a diamond blade to cut towel. Need to change it out. One different socket to take that off of there. Screw off and now just going to switch blades. Make sure it's nice and tight. Feels good. Need to get this corner out. Do that without cracking it. Now I need to go this way. Looked like it worked. That's a pretty good sharp saw. Blade rather. Looking good. The corner cut out there. That'll fit right here. Gonna cut a piece on under the trim there. Just to get in. Slide over there. I kind of got some of the towel laid in order. And the restroom here. Broke a few pieces. But moving right along. Got my sanded poly blend sanded grout. Ready to roll here. This is white. Got it mixed. Mixing that right here. I'm gonna make sure I fill all the cracks. And that there. Gotta get that out of there. Yee, messy. It's a little better than what it was. My towel here.